Over the past 6 months, MEST and the Mastercard Foundation have worked with 12 Ghanaian SMEs, looking to support them on their scale ambitions. During this period, we've gone through intensive workshops and bespoke strategy sessions aimed at identifying gaps within their companies and also fixing these gaps because it will hinder them on their scale journey.
Having gone through this program, I have a better understanding of what it means to scale, and I think my business is better prepared to scale and take on the world.
What I really enjoyed is meeting new people, companies like Notify, who will be assisting us on our platform whilst we are launching the platform for farmers early next year.
We have had a lot of people reach out to us. An investor also followed up. It served as a vote of confidence in our company, and we believe that we can achieve our aim of helping Africa feed itself.
We came up with 3 key structures for the company. We have an enterprise solution, we have a healthcare solution, and we also have a logistics solution as well. So that's been a light bulb and a eureka moment for us.
I think of scale as how I can upsell to my customers, how I can increase my revenue with the barest minimum cost possible, and not just about pumping money into marketing and making noise as a company.
I wish to thank the MEST team because I saw it not as mentors, but more friends and coaches who help us to scale as we are going along.
It's been very exciting working with these companies and seeing them make so much progress and hit significant milestones with the help of MEST and the Mastercard Foundation.